Hi Marion, this is Hank. Hey, okay, so I'm going to do this quickly for the sake of the video upload, and I'm kind of flying here. So on any tower, typically you're going to have on, if you put it in front of you, so that the front's on the right and the back's on the left, you're going to have some screws that you're going to want to undo. Okay. If only I had a helper. Should have kept one of the kids. You can have some screws that you can pop out. So you just need like a Phillips head for that. Okay, and then you just want to grab and slide this guy out. Set that aside. Now on this one, you can see that we got a hard drive in the bottom right. Sometimes they'll be up here. You can see here we've got a CD-ROM drive, and then you could typically have one here. If you had one in this space, you would have screws here that you'd have to take out. Down here, the way this one goes, you could tell it's the hard drive from it's the thinner one here. So in this one, I would just undo these screws right here, and then unplug the cables. Sorry, unplug the cables, get the screws, and then just slide this guy out. Up here, you would take the screws out and you would slide them back like this. It'll be kind of tricky. You might have to unplug, like in mine, I'd have to unplug the power supply to make the room. Something else to consider though. You might not only have screws over here if the hard drive's up here, but you might have to flip the guy around and open up the back side and then undo some similar screws right here and here. But that should do it. Your hard drive should look like this. So it's either going to be this kind here where it's got that serial ATA connection right above my thumb there, which would correspond to like a smaller cable like this. I'm going to pause again.